If you're in the sublimation business or in the printing business and you ever wonder if you're really making a profit on each sublimation blank that you're selling, well, you're not alone. Hello, I'm Juan from Joto Imaging Supplies marketing team, and we know that pricing can get really tricky. Is this price even worth it? How much money am I actually making with each sale? So that's why we built a tool that's just for you. It's called the Sublimation Blanks Profit Calculator, and we made it to help you price with confidence. So first thing first, let's go to our webpage. Without further ado, here we go. Let's go to our profit calculator. Okay, so once you're in the web page, you can see the Sublimation Blanks Profit Calculator, and you can see that it only has 3 steps. First, you gotta search your product with keywords or the sublimation blank, the name, whatever you know about it. Then you select the printer you have in the printing area. And third, you can input how much are you trying to make or in how much are you willing to sell your product. Okay, so let's try one of our best seller product. It's a very normal mug. This is an 11-ounce mug. So we're gonna write our mug. You start writing mug. When you have 3 letters, then it starts auto-completing. And we said that we were gonna use our sublimation product coding mug. When you click on the product, you see that it automatically imports all the information. Product coding, 11-ounce in sublimation white mug. The case has 36 units. Price per case, $57. Units per case, 36, and estimated shipping cost $17. You get also the picture of the product. You can enlarge the picture so you really know what you're buying. You make sure that this is the product that you're looking for. Beneath that, there is the calculator, profit calculator. Okay, so the first thing that you're gonna do is you gotta select your printer. For example, let's choose Sagras SG500. Each printer uses different amounts of ink. Each ink has different costs. For example, Sagras SG500. And let's suppose that we're gonna print this area. This is gonna be our sublimation area. And how do we know what is the area? Of course, we know that we're gonna be sublimated with paper. So you can grab a piece of paper from start to finish, from end to end of the sublimation area that you're gonna have. You see that you can cover all the area here with a paper, and then you grab your piece of paper and you're gonna measure your height, you measure your width. Just multiplying those 2 numbers, you're gonna see that area. So let's say, for example, that we have 2 inches by 5 inches. It's gonna be a total of 10 inches, 10 square inches. So let's put 10 square inches in the design area. Let's say that usually I sell this product for $5. Okay, so I enter 5 here at the final sale price, and automatically I know what is going to be my gross profit per unit. I'm going to see here what is my gross percentage is 45.1, and my total cost per unit is $275. I can play with these numbers. So let's say that I don't know which should be my selling price point. So I have some options here. For example, we suggest 45%, 65%, 75%, or 85%. So if you don't know what would be your selling price, you can use 45% or maybe 65%, and you can see that automatically your final sale price changes, your gross profit changes, and your gross profit percentage changes also. 75, 85, your total cost per unit would be still the same. Your cost per ink, cost per paper, your blank cost, and your shipping cost, those are going to be fixed, but these other numbers are going to be variable. So that's how you can calculate how much are you willing to sell your products. If your clients say that they need a discount, you can also know how much you can discount your products without losing any money. Whenever you're happy with your numbers, you can go ahead and click buy now, and it's gonna open another tab. You go to the product page tab, and well, you can see all the product description here, everything about the product, and you can add to cart right there. And you can use it with any blank that we sell here. So for example, let's use one tumbler. This tumbler, this is very cool. It's one of our best-selling products. So let's go ahead and use one of these tumblers. Let's look to this tumbler. It's this one, 20 ounces tumbler. Again, it imports all the data, the price, the unit per case, estimated shipping cost. You have the picture over there. You can enlarge the picture so you're really sure that the product is the one that you sell. And then again, you can use the printer, you can switch your printer, you see the product, you enter the design area, you can put your optional sell gross profit margin, you can select a gross profit margin, and you can see the whole numbers calculation results. All these are going to be fixed numbers, and the gross profit is going to be variable, or the gross profit percentage. This way you can price with confidence, not lose money, and grow your business. So that's all for now. I hope you enjoy your tool, use it, and see you on the next video.